me ma kwaba edeba Adom TV. Jumedi a wohwewe eye nkuranhye jumedi. Na me amedi jumedi ho chia me edi amye so ene Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego. Meda asese ode wa fidie atoa. Ene asema mede nam no atifi sem ne say what controls you? Ede na ehye so. Ede na ugina so ede fatimu po. Ede na ugina so ede ye nneoma awoyo. Nia ehye so no ebekire bebe abefa. Miya abrante akwada ketekete na ma mekire me say eya ahya wo so. So asem no kan no. O say eya ahya wo so. Mse ma me. Tere bia nya me o. Ebia na namfo ye bi. Ebia na amanfo fa benkum. Minkwam ko fa ni fa ese sebe me kwasea. Dodo na dia dodo na ye na makoye bi me ya den hyɛ so hyɛ ho so sua sɛ obɛhyɛ ho so safu tura ma me de ma me na eboam yie ahohyɛso na to da bia me sɛ de na hyɛ wo so. Many people spend their life focusing on what they have gone through or what may happen to them, and they live at the mercy of the control of their circumstances. Bebre na wana braba wo boy nyama ehye won so eye ne atwam dada ani empo de beba enya mmaye ena wo buhu konta ena wo di yawo we de ekoye me ye o we de atwam me de mentimi o we de mi se we de mi mfa nche no we de fa ena wo kyan so de mi hu de beba imawu bebre no na brabo nyama ehye won so eye ne atwam koye ena eda wanim. Therefore they live at the mercy of what happens to them. They live at the mercy of other people, and they are not able to live on their own terms. Dudona na sabe ni awade ye wom de besie ani emponi obi beka ana obi beyo ana de obi nka obi ebeyo no ana ekro na brabo we de me ye wanyema ye we de wanye ni senti ha me we de ni senti ha me ni obi yo ana ni obi ka de obi anyo ene ni obi anka no ena ehye na brabo so eba ne sa brabo wo bon wankasa won kura twere dua entwere wa brabo mu nsem asa wa brabo akɔhye nioma esisi brabo mu nioma eba besie ene nioma ankrofo eyo na manfo ka. But my brother, my sister, if you want to enjoy a great life, if you want to have a very happy life, you need to be careful not to be controlled by these 5 things. Mikobodi so pesa brabo eyi na edimu o pesa we ne jepa ne ma numa mabodi ema ebi nhyew enkyere bebe abrabo ebeko dedi kan your past de atwam empanisi ye de yo wo no sa anya o ya yesa de obi o ampa eya o ya no nkyere se obetwadwa asu agina mu sebe awa ho twetwede eya ya kyese se usua de free ne atwam no eya se utimi to na montuo efree ne atwam no na de ode ye wo no pepe se baba we na brante o me ka se ka wo anim mu ase so na wadi nkunim enti de atwam no wo ma ne hye oso ha ekire mekomu akire mu toso mienu enkrofo da foforo etimopo ene watemu a wotie o abrabo ho a empo de bubra. When you are controlled by the opinions and judgments of others, you can never have a fulfilling life. Your own limited beliefs that project on yourself. Never how would GDA, then so I consider, and some will come with team, and so I have begru, and also a show so no abrabo atochia. Number 4, and Kitahudia would not brabum. One year on kita relationships can also control you to the extent say why have a brabo a bear mobile. A crack money, so money, sika. San your men num when I saw Shannon so. Now one ma emubako and chiro and show a braboso. Sika and Kitahudia hodo. And no more can widen process and some fantasy require. Empu and call for a timupo and one timu and I mean, for the decay. That's no. Whatever happened, you must let it go. Leave the pain of the past behind so you can face your future with a new set of competency. The Ebiana one who know ebia na wahu ne ka ebia nia oye de ye wo no so nim nia oyo atwam se wo pe akade foforo na bisa ho se de kura me ne de da me nim no me den ayo na bebia me se si for me se si for biom bebia me di nkugo me ndi nkugo bebia me yamfom so me nyamfom so biom na mo magina ho aye de sefata na mabrabo adim. You see, leave the darkness of your past behind so it cannot block the light of your bright future. The atwam na kwese sum so wo de wani to the atwam no mu akosi bebia wan hwemu a ebesi odachi ehan kan. The past could be a dark past. Don't focus on it to blind your future in darkness. Your future can be light. Let the past go. Whatever happened may be unjust. Whatever happened may be cruel. Whatever happened may be harsh. Whatever the case, reliving the events will never do you any good. The chairman ya. The chairman and some fata. The chairman a duani. The chairman no kure amount says from. The chairman amoa catchy. Nanso fasodie bi ani ho se obebobo ho agina ho atwege asu ekosi se ofamu nti. If somebody did you wrong, the only way you can win is if you let it go and move on. So be your bibi enye. So be can bibi enye kire wa de wetima ya ne se jamu na koso ekowanim. So what na what time a uninkunim. If you live in hate, you will never win. If you live in anger and sadness, you can never win the battle of life. If you want to win the battle of life, you must focus on building your future, and you have to start right now. O peso bravo, awadie, usikasem, wapop mede yanya ne de kire wo nya na mama yanya na papa yo ye. Na mmom wankasa ne awokura won nsem abayo ne ne. Ahese edimu esefata. Oh na no de na de ye won akwasa adeso na so won na kura wachi. The past is like a heavy burden. It's like a weight on your back. Drop it so you can be free on the journey of life. Bebre na de one ya na ekura awraho na ekura nti so bag o yawdie ukura bag won sabenkum awraho ukura bi atete ukura bi memfa nche e na ukura na mabrabo mu a bag ahodo na so na ekura wo na ade bubra. Bed then as a foforo ba betimi ro nsa so mu sabenkum da so ade foforo mu. Ni father so from ebi suuti ebi kura wonan ho na foforo ba obeden e de aka obrabo ho ade papa wo anim wonyan wiwe wonim ni abenya enda so e wo hode ma odaachi simple ware na anko yi ne simple bibi na oyo ya odi nkuguo simple obrabo na enye yi na mpaba jamu na wonsam he ha na watimi afa foforo e de abubra. Do not let the events of the past which are now gone to reign your future and your present. And then, and watching a mobile de papa. This is the day that I have made. Rejoice and be glad in it. And that day, na mayama war. My home sepel. No ninja woman. No, say, Odim say that day, and na bibia, and ye esi. Odim say, Nano, dear enya course, and then a mayama war. My home sepel. Now when in you, just a one sepel no anya. Abrabo unhuano. So ama one sepel no anya what you could see. You see, negative thinking blocks your sense of decision. Negative thinking blocks the hormones in Shubu Adrian. It's in the coin, say a bekenya. And unti wodachi no eko. And this wodachi echire wachina said the abeno. Bisa once wachina so make on the same. Now no am ya man ye no echina so make on the same man saying. Na so jamu a wonye bibia say what jamu asa no dachi amaye dia. Ana me do besie